In 7-2, we're multiplying mixed numbers without the area model this time. So in yesterday's video, we took 3 2/5 times 5 1/3 and multiplied them using the area model, and we found 18 2/15 as the answer. An area model is a really easy strategy. It helps us stay organized, but it's not always the most useful strategy. So today we're going to try multiplying mixed numbers without using area model. So we're going to take the same problem that we did in yesterday's video and see if we can find the same answer but without using area model this time. The way we're going to multiply mixed numbers today is by changing both of the mixed numbers into improper fractions. And I do that by multiplying the denominator by the whole number. So 5 times 3 is 15. And then I add the numerator, 15 plus 2, that's 17. And the denominator stays the same. So 3 2/5 as an improper fraction is 17/5. Now I'm going to do the same thing to 5 1/3. So we're going to multiply the denominator by the whole number. That's 15. Add the 1, and we get 16 over the same denominator of 3. Now we can just multiply straight across. So we'll take 17 times 16. And I'm going to use turtle head off to the side to figure that out. 7 times 6, that's 42. 1 times 6 is 6. Plus 4, we get 10. Give them a collar and lay an egg. I no longer need that 4. 7 times 1 is 7. And 1 times 1 is 1. Now I can add these up. And I get 272 for my remainder. Then I multiply the denominators, and I get 15 for the denominator. And you can see here that we have an improper fraction because the numerator is bigger than the denominator. So we're going to have to divide to figure out what my actual answer is. So 272 goes inside the box, and then outside we put 15. Now I don't know my multiples of 15, so I'm just going to do 10, because that'll be easy to just add a 0 at the end. And we get 150. Then we subtract, and I get 122. I can't use 10 again, so I'm going to use something a little smaller. Maybe 4, because I know 15 times 4 is 60. And then when we subtract this time, I'm going to have to borrow, and we get 62. I can use 4 again, and 4 times 15 is 60. Subtract, and we get a remainder of 2. 15 cannot go into 2. So now I add up the answers on the side to get my whole number of 18. The remainder is in red, and that's my numerator. And then the denominator is in blue, and that's 15. So here again, without using area model, we still got the same answer of 18 and 2 over 15. The background purring noises were brought to you by my cat, Sully.